This visual aid is designed to show what the 97th USCT looked like while on the march. Here, each one of the lettered wooden blocks represents a company of men. These wooden blocks represent the wagons of the pontoon train. As an engineer regiment, it was in charge of the pontoon train. You see that each one of these is labeled, such as anchor and cord, abutment, tool, boat wagon, and chest wagon. At the end are forage wagons. The total number of wagons would be 48, plus forage. The number of forage wagons would depend upon how many days the wagon train would be on the march. As you could see, the pontoon bridge train stretched for quite a distance. Moving out from camp, it would take nearly an hour to get all the wagons and horses onto the road for a march.